Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to YourPedia Education. So today I'm going to discuss about one very important exam for USA, that is GRE general exam. So recently what happened, ETS, which was organizing this exam, they decided to change the pattern of this exam. Now they become GRE very shorter, and I got a lot of queries whether to write new GRE exam or the older one, what is the duration of new exam, how many questions that will come, and most important question, which one is easier. So today I'm going to discuss all these points one by one. So first of all, what is GRE exam, where it is required? So GRE is one exam which is there to check your aptitude, and where it is required, mostly it is required in USA. It is not required in Canada. It is required in some universities, I would say in Germany, and it is required in Singapore as well. But Germany and Singapore, they will give you option, you can submit your GATE score as well if you don't want to write GRE, but that is a different discussion. So today's discussion is like what is the changes that happened in the GRE exam. So you can find the detailed information on YourPedia Global. This is a website you can always visit. So you can always check the data over this website. So new GRE, first of all, it is shorter. And what are the number of questions that you will get in the new GRE exam? So I think you might know there are three sections in GRE. One is analytical writing, other one is quantitative reasoning, that is mathematics, and third one is the verbal reasoning. So first of all, you should be aware about the three sections which are going to come in GRE exam. You now in the new GRE you will get one essay task. Previously it was two. Later on I will compare what is the difference between new and old GRE exam. But one essay task, that is analyze an issue. So they will give you one topic, you have to write about that topic for 30 minutes. So what to write, how to analyze an issue. If you want details, then you can always contact YourPedia. We will discuss like what you can write in this particular question. But other than that, you will get 27 questions in quantitative reasoning, and you will get 47 minutes for that. So it will come in two sections. It is not like there is only one section of 27 questions, it is two sections. But how many questions in one particular section which you are going to get, that is not decided yet by ETS. So soon they are going to update this information, but as of now you can just understand it is 27 question, 47 minutes. And for verbal reasoning, that is English, you will get 27 question and you will get 41 minutes for that. Total duration of exam is approximately 2 hours, that is 1 hour 58 minutes. It is very shorter as compared to previous GRE pattern. So if I have to compare both between current and shorter, you can see over here. First one is analytical writing, that is a task which are going to evaluate out of 6. So previously you will get 2 tasks, that is analyze an issue, and I'm sorry, this is the current GRE pattern. There are 2 tasks, analyze an argument and analyze an issue. So there are 2 essays for 30 minutes, but now in the shorter GRE there is only 1 task. That is very good thing, you have to spend less time on writing essays. Previously in quantitative reasoning, that is mathematics, you will get 40 questions, you will get 70 minutes for that. That is coming in 2 sections. Now it is only 27 questions, 47 minutes. After that, verbal reasoning, that is English, you will get 40 questions. Previously in 60 minutes you have to answer. Here you have 27 questions in 41 minutes. So previously there was one dummy section, that is unscored section, which you never know like which one is a dummy section. So you have to spend more time basically on that dummy section, because you never know like this is a dummy section. So you spend extra time on that. But now dummy section is not there, it is removed from the new GRE exam. That is a very big advantage. So every section which you are coming across, it is scored section, and you have to basically spend a lot of attention on that particular section. Previously it was 10-minute break which you will get after this essay task. Now there is no break, just after the essay you have to tackle this either quantitative reasoning or verbal section. So previous test duration was 3 hours 45 minutes, which is huge because your brain got drained in this much time. But now it is only 1 hour 58 minutes. So score time delivery is more or less same. Now you will previously it was 10 to 15 days, now it is 8 to 10 days. So if you are planning for any deadline, make sure you write it at least 15 to 20 days before if you are going for new GRE. Now the next question is, okay sir, I know like what is the old GRE, what is the new GRE. I know like I want to appear for the new GRE pattern. How should I do that? So the simple way is get the test date after 22nd September. So if you schedule your test after 22nd September, then you are obviously in the new GRE bracket. So you will get the shorter exam. So this is the way basically you can appear for the shorter GRE exam. And the last question, which is very important, which one you should give. So I would say if you are appearing for spring semester, the deadline is, I would say, 1st September in some of the universities, then you have no option. You have to go for the previous GRE, which is the current GRE. I would say like current GRE pattern which is going on, you have to appear in that. If you're targeting fall semester, deadline is around 15 December, then I would say obviously go for the shorter GRE because it is easier, less question, 2 hours exam, so you will be very refreshed. If you have less question, then there are less chances of making a mistake. So I would say appear for the new GRE pattern if your deadline is fall 2024 and deadline is, I would say, 15 December. So thank you very much. If you want more information regarding GRE, always you can go to the YourPedia mentors, which will help you and which will discuss in detail how to crack each and every section. So thank you very much for listening.